stage, we have Miss Rica Peralejo.
Oh wow, hello. I have a mic pala. Hello everyone!
Hello Miss Rica, can you greet everyone?
Hello!
What are you looking forward to the iPhone 17?
You know, I want to be surprised, so I really didn't search like the new features yet. But I just got the color orange. Yan yung ano gusto ko, color orange. And then large storage, that's very important for me. But I'm always excited when there's a new iPhone because the additions really help me a lot with my content creation.
You really need that, especially the new features of the camera of the iPhone 17.
So one thing that I like for my older version, my older phone is yung stabilizing feature kasi I run a lot. So people always ask me, anong camera po yung gamit niyo, Miss Rica? Kasi when I do this, parang gulat sila na it's not shaky. So, yeah.
Perfect for runners.
Yes.
Alright, thank you so much. Can you stay there? Can you stay there? Next, we will have Kelly Misa. And of course, we'd like to invite here on stage, Nicole Hernandez. We also have Don Ronquillo. And of course, we have Barbie Imperial. Alright, let's welcome them here. And of course, we have Andy Manzano! Come over here. Join us over here. Alright, so I have a question for all of you. Let's wait for Miss Andy. Hello, good evening. Alright, same question with Miss Rica Peralejo. What are you looking forward to the iPhone 17?
Okay, so I heard that it's very light and it has a new material. It's made of aluminum, I think. And so I'm looking forward to that. And I hope that, I'm looking forward to a lighter phone. So that's a plus.
Wow, nag-research talaga siya about the iPhone 17. How about you? What are you looking forward to our countdown tonight?
I'm looking forward to using the camera. I'm excited about the zoom feature just because my kids are athletes, so you can't really stay so close. So I wanna be able to zoom in and it doesn't get blurry, diba?
Wow, the front camera. You're talking about the front camera?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, the center stage feature that you can do a groovy, then it zooms out, then it pans as well. Everyone is excited about that. How about Barbie? Si Don, pinasa na kayo Don. Call a friend down.
No, I think they said na everything to say, but we're very excited to have the new iPhone 17, especially the camera, the slider, better, the zoom, better battery, and everything.
Okay, I'm curious. What color are you getting?
Well, blue.
The deep blue. How about you, Barbie? What color are you getting?
I'm getting orange naman. Yeah.
The orange one.
The silver.
I'm getting space gray.
Space gray. Ayan, kung gusto yung mag-twinning kayo with our celebrities over here, alam niyo na ang colors na kukunin. How about you, Miss Andy? What are you looking forward to the iPhone 17?
I think they said it all, but for me it's really the camera. I use the camera a lot and I'm excited for the 2 terabyte. I feel like I need the space because the more children you have, usually the more videos and photos you have. So
Yung talaga yung 2 terabyte, grabe. That's the largest capacity, if I'm not mistaken. How about you? 2 terabyte as well? Kailangan ng 1 terabyte kasi maraming mga reels for running si Miss Rica Peralejo. Ayan. Sobrang... Can you share to all of us kung ano ba yung secret sa paggawa ng reel using your iPhone?
It has made my life easier talaga. Kasi syempre, aside from being a content creator, we're kami lahat halos dito, mga moms, and then we have other lives, right? So, sa totoo lang, kahit katabi ko yung anak ko, nakakapag-edit na ako ng isang reel or dalawa, di ba? So, that's really useful for me. And also the quality. I think that because of content creation, just really improving over the years, di ba? We've seen how the quality just went up over the years. hindi ka na rin pwedeng parang, di ba, yung so-so lang, malabo lang yung kuha mo. So it really helps that the iPhone cameras keep improving with every iteration. So yeah, I'm just so excited to get my hands on the iPhone 17 to, you know, experience that all over again.
Thank you so much for those tips. A while ago I mentioned that we used to like use the chunky phones with antenna. Anyone who tried that or experienced using that? Okay, sila. All of us, ayan. Yung naka-charge sa car, tapos hindi mo siya pwedeng iwanan or hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin na for a long time because the battery will go off na. Ayan. So, since you used the chunky phones before, ano sa tingin mo yung sobrang, like it's improving as what mentioned by Miss Riga? For you, ano yung pinakamaganda ngayon na sa tingin mo feature ng iPhone 17 aside from the camera?
Oh my gosh, well I think it's just overall the speed and how quickly everything can be done. Analog yun kasi before, diba? It usually takes a few seconds for anything to open, any program to open. And we're so far, we're worlds apart na. Like, ibang-iba na yung iPhone ngayon from back then. It's hard to compare both. And yeah, I'm just looking forward to this, to getting my hands on it and to trying it out for myself.
And of course, the weight.
Yes, and the weight. It's lightweight.
Definitely, it's lighter, way lighter than the chunky phone. Ask ko lang si Miss Barbie. Miss Barbie, were you able to experience to get a hand of the chunky phone with antenna? The first...
Hindi ko na siya naabutan.
Hindi na naabutan. Ano yung first na naabutan mo na iPhone?
Parang yung 10 ba?
iPhone 10,
yeah,
iPhone X.
Late na kasi ako nagka-cellphone talaga. Yeah.
So what did you love most about your first iPhone?
The first iPhone, actually, I can't remember na. Pero what I love about iPhone is yung AI, yung nade-delete yung mga tao sa likod or yung mga basura or anything na kalat sa photos. It's very easy. Isang ganun lang, tanggal na agad.
Yun talaga yun, yung pag-edit talaga because one of the hardest parts of doing contents is yung pag-edit talaga, especially kapag may mga photo bombers, mabilis mo siya, isang click lang, then mahihil mo talaga yung photo mo. How about you, Sir Dong? Ayan, ano yung, sabi mo kanina you were able to use the chunky phone with antenna. Ano naman yung nami-miss mo about it? Since alam na natin na sobrang gusto mo na yung mga bago. May nami-miss ka ba?
Status symbol yan before. Basta may ganun ka sa mall, nakabag, tapos may antena na kalabas na malaki.
Yeah. Oh, that's a sound that we only have 1 minute left before the new iPhone launch. So are you all excited, everyone? Ayan, as what mentioned a while ago ni Sir Dong, it's a like status symbol na kapag meron ka ng chunky phone with antenna, talagang social ka ba nun, sir?
Okay lang, mabigat.
Mabigat. So,
very heavy.
So yun yung nami-miss mo doon, yung bigat niya. Because some people, mas gusto nila yung mabigat yung dala nila eh. Compared yung iba naman, mas gusto nila lighter. How about you? Mas okay sa'yo mabigat or the lighter one? The lighter one.
So now I'm switching to Pro lang because I find the max very heavy. Especially if you have a small bag.
Alright everyone, join me sa ating countdown. 6,